Hello and welcome to LetSetCom tutorials by Team LetX. In this video, we learn how to create a central timer. So as you can see, this is your LetSetCom dashboard, and in order to create a central timer, you need to click on Create New. Then you will see many elements over here, and in order to create a central timer, you need to click on Central Timer. Then the form would open up. Now in the first section that you need to configure is the campaign name. So you can write it, this is for your internal purpose, and this will not be shown anywhere. So you can set it as whichever way you want to for your reference. Now supposingly I set it as Central Timer 1. Now in the next section, which is set timer template, there are basically 3 templates available which you can choose, and so it's totally up to you. Whichever template you want to choose, you can choose with that one. Supposingly I choose template 1. Now in the next section, which is central timer type, there are 3 types of templates. There are 3 types which are available for you for the timer. So the first one is dated time based, in which you need to configure when the timer would expire, the date for the timer and the time for that particular timer to expire. Now cookie based timer is a type of timer which expires within when the visitor lands upon your website. So supposingly I set it for 15 hours. Then once the visitor enters on my website, this timer would start then and expire after 15 hours. However, if a particular visitor, if the other visitors lands upon the website the other time, so for that particular visitor, the timer would start the moment he lands upon the website and will continue till 15 hours. Now the evergreen timer is a type of cookie-based timer, which when expires starts again. Now let us configure date and time based timer. So in this section, which is end, date and time, you need to configure the date for the timer, when it will be ending, and the time. Supposingly I set it for 14 and this. So you can also see the preview over here. This is how it will show. Now in the next section, which is the time zone, you need to select the time zone. Supposingly I select Midway Island, then the timer would work according to this timings. Now in the central timer title, which is an optional field, you need to enter whatever you wish to. Supposingly I enter timer expires in. So I can write this, and this would be shown right above the timer. So supposingly I also have the option to either highlight it, bold it, italic, or underline it. So supposingly I go for the bold option. I need to select this and click on bold, and then I can see the preview over here. Now in the next section, you need to configure what will happen when the central timer expires. So there are 3 options available. In the first option, you can either hide the timer. In the second option, you can redirect it to the page. So if you choose this, you need to enter the redirect URL as well. Now in the last option, which is show static central page as this. So once the timer expires, it would show like this on the page, on the website or the page, wherever you're showing the timer. Now in the next section, which is styling customization, there are some default values which are already set for the timer. So you can configure it as per your wish. However, they're already set for you. So supposingly I want to change the title. So I need to just do it whichever way I want to. Supposingly I select green over here and choose it. Then I can update the preview, and this is how it will show. So this is the title, this is the timer, and this is the label. Now, once you've set all the conditions as per your wish, you need to click on next, and then you need to enter the URL where you want to show the timer. So supposingly I set it as LetSetCom. I need to save it, and then I'll get the code. So when I need to paste this code wherever I want the timer to appear, and once I paste it, the timer would appear accordingly. Thank you.